Sights and sounds of Ybor City, Tampa, Florida. Quasi New Orleans Mardi Gras. Saturday night. Tampa, Florida, Ybor City. The sights and sounds of Tampa, Florida. This Timber effect. Bumper to bumper traffic. Ybor City. You heard about it. Tampa, Florida. This is it. Just cruising through. Go to Popo over there. You're liable to see anything down here. Club White. It's just a little strip, probably about 2-3 miles long, full of bars, live bands, and people. All sorts, all kinds. You name it, you'll see it down here. People with clothes and damn near no clothes. Ybor City, Tampa, Florida. You see it. Restaurants, sit outside and dine. And we're coming down here by a real popular restaurant pretty soon called the Columbia Restaurant, where all the mob figures used to go and eat at during the day. Black Club here, the Grove. Yeah, the Grove Restaurant, black restaurant in Ybor City here. We're coming to the end of the strip now, but we're gonna be coming up to the Columbia Restaurant. Real old restaurant, been here for a really long time. Like all the mob figures used to go here and eat. Probably still do. There's a lot of mob here in Tampa still. Used to be a restaurant called the Tropicana Restaurant. Tropicana? Talk to me. I'm sure you heard that name in the mafia world. Yeah, we're caught by the red light now, so we'll be getting down here by the Columbia Restaurant pretty soon. Been here in the Tampa area for a real long time, since 1905. You see it. It's Tim effect, I'm in effect, I'm all in it. I'm out.